Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your iPad is updated and Bluetooth is turned on, because pairing depends on current firmware and wireless radios. Next, charge the keyboard enough to avoid dropouts, then put it into pairing mode following its specific button or key combo. Open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Watch the device list. Once the keyboard appears, tap its name to initiate pairing. This immediate action gets you connected fast and prevents going in circles with power or software issues. Once the device begins pairing, understand the difference. If you're using a smart connector folio, physically align the pins and magnets, the connection is hardware-driven and usually instantaneous. For Bluetooth keyboards, you might see an on-screen PIN. Type it on the external keyboard and press Enter to confirm. After the link is active, go to General Right Arrow Keyboard to choose Language, Layout, and enable hardware keyboard settings. These steps ensure keys map correctly and special keys work as expected. Finish by testing in Notes. Type rapidly, use modifier keys such as Command or Globe, and verify function keys behave correctly. Next, customize shortcuts and hardware behavior in Settings Right Arrow Keyboard, Right Arrow Hardware Keyboard to speed up your workflow. If things go wrong, try simple fixes first. Toggle Bluetooth, forget the keyboard and pair again, or restart both devices. If issues persist, reset network settings or the keyboard per its manual. These steps resolve the vast majority of connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.